This is gonna be the first part of my giveaway, man. I'm in the McLaren right now. My boy Josh rolling with me.
Yes,
we in this
sir.
hole. Hey, look, I'm finna bless these little kids. These little kids don't know what I'm finna do. I'm gonna tell them, man, stay in school, man, stay straight, man. Brand new day, man. Oh, look.
Yes, sir. Your boy 93V.
She said I can't give them no money, bro. Made it rain on them kids, dog. Stay in school, man. Real tell say I can't give them kids no money, man.
Where they do that at, man?
Shit,
Where
man.
they do that at,
She
man?
said I can't give them kids no money, dog.
Yeah, we got it on us now, goddamn.
Man, come on now. Get on, man. This goddamn thing. She gonna try to call them people. Bitch. Man, come on. I can't get the
Yes,
kids no
sir.
money, bro, for they being in school, man.
In the hood with it.
Real talk.